everyone! Welcome to this channel. In this video, we will discuss interesting topics in the world of organization and leadership, namely dyadic relationships and subordinate relationships. Both of these concepts are important to understand because they relate directly to the interaction between leaders and team members, as well as how those relationships affect organizational performance. So make sure you watch till the end. First, let us talk about what a dyadic relationship is. Simply put, a dyadic relationship is a two-way relationship between two individuals. In an organizational context, it is usually between a leader and one subordinate. This relationship is personal and unique. This means that a leader can have different relationships with each member of his team. Some are close, open, and trust each other. Some are more formal and rigid. This dyadic concept is also widely known in leader-member exchange theory, or LMX theory. This theory explains that the quality of the relationship between leaders and members greatly influences motivation, performance, and job satisfaction. If the relationship is high, then the subordinates will be more motivated, given more trust, and even given a more strategic task. But if the relationship is not good, then the interaction can be limited to formal things only. Examples like this. Imagine a manager has 5 staff. Of those 5, he had more frequent discussions with 2 specific people, gave them more input, and even involved them in important decisions. That means the manager has a strong dyadic relationship with the 2 staff. This is what is called in-group in LMX theory. Let us talk about subordinate relationships. Different from personal dyadic, subordinate relationships emphasize formal and structural relationships between superiors and subordinates. Here, the focus is the division of authority and responsibility. Superiors give orders, and subordinates carry out tasks according to the existing hierarchy. Some of the characteristics of a subordinate relationship are: there is a clear level of office. The relationship is more formal and administrative. Interaction is determined by the organizational structure, not personal proximity. This relationship is crucial in ensuring smooth coordination, especially in large organizations with many divisions. Easy example. A division chief gave instructions to his staff to compile a weekly report, although they are not very familiar. But because there is a superior-subordinate relationship, the staff is still obliged to complete the task. That is the form of a subordinate relationship, a relationship that runs on tasks and structural responsibilities. What is the difference between a dyadic and a subordinate relationship? Dyadic is more about the quality of interpersonal relationships. Subordinate is more of a structural function within the organization who governs and who executes. A person can have a subordinate relationship, but not necessarily have a good dyadic relationship. Understanding these 2 types of relationships is very important. By building a dyadic relationship, leaders can increase team loyalty and productivity. But on the other hand, understanding the structure of subordinate relationships remains important to ensure organizational discipline runs well. Ideally, a leader should combine both healthy personal relationships and a clear work structure. Here is the explanation of dyadic and subordinate relationships within the organization. Hopefully this explanation is useful for you, especially if you are studying leadership or management. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.